Hey there! Welcome to our exciting session on planning techniques. Today, we're not just talking about making plans, we're talking about crafting a strategy for success on a daily, weekly, and monthly basis. It's like being the conductor of your own life symphony, ensuring every note plays at the right time. Let's jump right in and get our calendars ready for some action. Daily planning, your day-to-day masterpiece. Start with a morning ritual. Begin each day with a ritual that sets the tone. It could be a quick workout, meditation, or simply reviewing your goals. It's like a warm-up before the big game. The power of a to-do list. Create a daily to-do list. But here's the trick, prioritize it. Identify the top 2-3 tasks that are must-dos for the day. It's like highlighting the headlines in a newspaper. Time blocking. This is a game changer. Block out specific times for specific tasks. Imagine your day as a series of appointments with yourself, and keep them. Weekly planning, the bigger picture. The Sunday preview. Use a bit of time each Sunday to plan your week. Look at your big projects and how you can break them down over the week. It's like sketching a rough outline before filling in the details. Theme days. Consider having theme days. Maybe Mondays are for meetings, Tuesdays for deep work, and so on. It's like having a daily special. It gives you something to focus on each day. Flexibility is key. Leave some buffers in your weekly plan for unexpected tasks or opportunities. It's like keeping some spare time in your back pocket, just in case. Monthly planning, the grand vision. Monthly milestones. Set a few key milestones for each month. These are like lighthouses guiding you through the month, ensuring you stay on course towards your bigger goals. Review and reflect. At the end of each month, take time to review what you've accomplished and what didn't go as planned. It's like doing a monthly health check on your goals. Plan ahead. Look ahead to the next month. Are there any big events or deadlines? It's like scouting the road ahead so you can prepare for what's coming. Remember, daily, weekly, and monthly planning isn't about filling every moment with work. It's about creating a structure that allows you to achieve your goals while maintaining balance in your life. So, there you have it. Start with today, build into this week, and expand into the month. Each level of planning supports the other, creating a harmonious rhythm in your life. Happy planning, and I can't wait to hear about all the amazing things you'll accomplish with these techniques. Let's make every moment count.